How's it going, everybody? Denson here. Welcome to the channel. I wanted to show you a really quick video on how I play pentatonic scales. There's so many different ways to play pentatonic scales, and this is one way that I teach my students how to do it. I'm using my 7th string so that you can see this pattern that's going to be sort of repeating. So if I think about the major scale where you play 3 notes per string, so it's like do, re, mi, right? So there's a whole step and a whole step. Well, those are the first 3 notes of a major pentatonic scale. So those first 3 notes, and the next 2 would be here. It's good because it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 octave for the major pentatonic scale. Well, if I want to, I can do a little shift and just kind of keep instead of spreading my hand out over 5 frets, I'm going to condense it into the space of 3 frets, which is how a lot of people play fifths with 1 and 4, or octaves, like whatever, that 3 fret space. You might do like 1, 2, 4, or 1, 2, 3 in that space, right? Well, I'm going to take those first 3 notes and just do a little shift. And then my next string will be the next 2. And then my next string, same fret, would be the 3 notes. And then 2, and 3, and then 2. So that 3 notes on a string, 2 notes on a string, 3 notes on a string, 2 notes on a string pattern is always the same on a bass, regardless of how many strings you have. Okay? Well, the pattern can continue on 1 string. I just have to separate the pattern 1, 2, 3, like 3 notes, then 2 notes by a minor third, which is 4 frets. So that's where my next note in the sequence would be. So if I'm playing, there's 2 notes on that string, minor third up, and then 3 notes. 2 notes first, 3 notes first. Then the next in the sequence would be 2. So it goes 3, then 2, then 3, then 2, then 3. The Stevie Wonder. So that has that middle note in between, that little blue note. And the blue note, that's the note that's called the blue note in the blues scale, whether it's a major or minor. That's always going to be the middle note of those 3 notes. Okay, so now as far as major and minor, when I start with 3 notes first, the scale is major. If I start with 2 notes first, I'm actually starting on the 7th scale degree of the minor pentatonic. Minor pentatonic is 1, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 7, octave. Well, if I start with 2 notes first, I'm starting 7, 1, 3, flat 3, 4, 5, right? So it's just 3 notes, 2 notes, 3 notes, 2 notes, 3 notes, 2 notes, 3 notes, 2 notes, over and over and over. And then if I run out of string, so if I start here, that's my 3 note sequence. So minor third, 2 notes, minor third, 3 notes. Right? So that 3 notes, 2 notes, 3 notes, 2 notes thing will just show you one way to symmetrically play the pentatonic scale and go up the neck, which is kind of nice. Yeah, so there you go. Also, if you liked this video and you thought it was fun, be sure to like, share, and then subscribe for more cool bass stuff. Anyway, have fun. Bye.